everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to unbag my Ipsy bag. Now I got this before Christmas and I've had a crazy time here during Christmas. My husband ruptured a disc in his back. I haven't even opened this. He ruptured a disc in his back and thank goodness he's feeling a lot better now. So yay, I hope he's just on the mend. Oh, how cute. So I haven't even opened this. I haven't filmed anything. All right, I did not do any add-ons, so I know I didn't do that. Look at this bag. It's so cute. It's like a pink little sheep. It's a pink sheep, and I got a couple things outside my bag. And let's see what I got inside my bag. All right, I do like that little bag. Home for the holidays. There we go. Oh, and it tells me I've got pricing in mind. So I know sometimes they have pricing and sometimes they don't. So let's go with first the thing I picked. I actually picked this. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 3. You know, I have never tried this pencil. And so I wanted to get it. I'm not sure. I think the color is going to be good for me. I think they've changed the colors from back when I used to buy. Yeah, that's a good shade for me. Can you see that? That's a good shade. So I'm happy with that. This is not going to go into my sample stash. This is going to go into with my makeup. That sells for the full size $24. That was a deluxe sample. Next, I got a Maui Beauty Dawn to Dusk eyeshadow single in Sun-Kissed. So let's open this up. Oh, that's what it looks like. That's a very pretty shade. That would make a pretty eyebrow highlighter too. Do I want to stick my fingers in this? Yeah, I think I'll keep this one. That's a very pretty shade. I don't know if you'll be able to really see it on me. There you go. I like that. Again, I don't think I'm going to put this in my samples. I'm going to put this in with my singles. So that sells for a full size. Oh, full size in the palette is $29. I would consider this a full-size single eyeshadow, but the palette sells for $29. Okay, next is a brush. This is the Bow, I can't even pronounce it. First word is Bow. It's an Ipsy exclusive limited edition flat contour brush. Okay, yeah, I don't need any of that. I have a brush shaped like this, but I don't mind having another one. It's nice and soft. There we go. That's the name. You can see it. Yeah. G-A with a little C-H-I-S. So I'm not sure. I don't speak French. Again, this was not going in our sample stash. This is going in. You know what? I don't think I have a single thing for sample stash looking at what's coming up next. Next, I have Lasting Smiles, Smile for a Cause, Peppermint Cream Lip Balm. My nieces made me 2 lip balms for Christmas. And so I think I'm going to give this one to my husband. There's nothing girly about it. He likes peppermint. So I'm just going to pass this on to my husband. So not going in the samples. And then last, I got 2 sheet masks. I got a acai berry and I got a moisturizing avocado. Let me go back and tell you prices. That makeup brush is $15.95. The lip balm is $5.95. Excuse me, $5.99. Both of those items are full-size items. And then this is full size and they sell for $3 per mask. There's $6 here. $6 here, $6 for the lip balm. That's $12. And then 16 for the brush is 28. That's $28, not counting then the deluxe sizes of these. That's a pretty good deal. And a cute bag. A cute bag. I'm glad I signed back up for the small bag for Ipsy. I don't need the larger sizes, but I think this is your better. You get more for your money, not total dollar wise, but I think you get a lot for your money getting the little bag. So not bad, but not a single thing to go in our sample stash, and that's the whole reason of signing back up for Ipsy. But I am not complaining. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up, if you would subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And guys, I hope y'all had a wonderful holiday, and I will see you next time.